Hello viewers, I am Satyanan Saha. I hope you are well in your place and your study is going very well. Today in current affairs we discuss about GDP means gross domestic product new series which was published recently that things we decode here. Under Government of India Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation MOSAPI. Under Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, National Statistic Office. Under National Statistic Office, National Accounts Division. National Accounts Division released a Gross Domestic Product new series. Why it is called new series? What is the importance of domestic product? Those things we have to discuss. India's Q3 GDP grows 7.8% under new base year. अभी बेस ईयर चेंज हो गया है. पहले बेस ईयर था 2011-12, अभी हो गया है 2022-23. Q3 मतलब अक्टूबर, नवंबर और दिसंबर को लेकर Q3 होता है. बेस ईयर मतलब क्या है? बेस ईयर मतलब रेफरेंस ईयर. यहाँ पर एक टेबल में समझा दिया गया है जो कि बेस ईयर और व्हिच ईयर इट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. ये है 9th टाइम 1948-49. इस ईयर को लिया गया था 1956 में. आफ्टर दैट 1967 अगेन चेंज 1961, 1978 में 1970-71 को लिया गया था. 1988 में 1980-81 को लिया गया था. 1999 में 1993-94 को लिया गया था. 2006 में 1999 को 2000 लिया गया था. 2010 में 2004 से 2005 लिया गया था. 2015 में 2011 और 12 को लिया गया था. अभी 2026 में 2022-23 को लिया गया है. इसको बेस ईयर लिया गया है. घटना के कारण यह लेट हो गया. दिस आर्टिकल इज पब्लिश्ड इन हिंदू. न्यू जीडीपी सीरीज अपग्रेड्स फाइनेंशियल ईयर 26. फाइनेंशियल ईयर किसको बोला जाता है? वो 1 अप्रैल से शुरू होकर 31 मार्च तक इसको फाइनेंशियल ईयर बोला जाता है. ग्रोथ टू 7.6% in second advance estimates. India's economic growth is expected to touch 7.6% in the current financial year 25-26, showed the second advance estimate of gross domestic product based on the new and updated series released by the government on Friday. This is faster than the 7.4% predicted in the first advance estimates for 2025-26 released in January, which was based on the older series. The new series of data released by Statistics Secretary Shobha Garg and Chief Economic Advisor V. Anantha Nageswaran has incorporated several improvements including an updated base year of 2022-23 from the earlier 2011-12, as well as several new data sets to improve the representatives and granularity of the data. The series has revised downward the growth for 2023-24 7.2% from the 9.2% estimated in the old series and has revised upward the growth for 2024-25 to 7.1% from the earlier estimates of 6.5%. According to the data India's nominal GDP, which is essentially the size of the economy, has been revised downward for the 3 years spanning 2023-26, which will have a negative impact on several fiscal ratios pegged to these numbers, such as the fiscal deficit to GDP ratio and the debt to GDP ratio.